First, I would like to thank to the person who allowed us to run the test on his website, as you can see, and his name is Srart. I apologize if I mispronounced his surname, but anyway, thank you, Dennis, for give us permission for this. Okay, what this video is about? It's about that you are able to inspect your website, and there is a different tools that you are able to use. For example, you can use WordPress, and there is plugins for this, like yellow pencil, for example, but there is other tools as well that can help you inspect your website. You can see yellow pencil. I don't like it. Why? Because the first, in the past, they have some issues. Today, I don't know, but this is just for WordPress. It means you need to install it on your website and you can inspect only this website. So I don't recommend it because I don't like this kind of tools. Then we have CSS Scan. This is a different kind of tool. This is browser extension and you have it inside of your browser, as you can see this icon here. Then we have, for example, another one. It's Hoverify. This is the same, and you can see all-in-one browser extension for web developers. And then we have more, something like Polypane. Polypane, it's not a plugin, it's not browser extension, it is a tool, or better say, it is browser for inspecting a website. Then we have more like CSS Hero, and there is a huge amount of tools that work this kind of work. So let's go to check how these tools working, and today we will start with few tools and we will make more videos about all of these tools that you can decide what tool it's good for you and what tool it's not good for you, so that you don't spend your money for a tool that it's not good. So first I want to start with a tool, and this tool is Hoverify. As you can see, it's browser extension, and let's go down to scroll. Okay, here we are, and you can see there is a yearly subscription, or you can buy it as a one-time purchase. The price yearly $30. If you want to buy it as a one-time purchase, it's, let's say, $90. It's ain't 89, but let's say 90, and you have a license for 3 activation, which is good. It's not only that you are able to use it on one computer, but you can use it on more browsers, and they tell you here what browsers they support. So I think mostly people use this kind of browsers. This is it, and I will not look now this website, explain it. The best thing is, let's go to the website. So it is CF Moto website, and let's go to see. This is Hoverify. Let's go to click on it, and we have new window. It's a logo. We have here a library, shortcuts. If you want to, you can use shortcut for faster usage, and you have settings that you can arrange this tool that work the best how you like or you want. So let's go back, and it have inspector, color eyedropper, assets, responsive, search engine optimization, debug, capture. So let's go start with inspector, and we will click on inspector, and you can see that he give you right away a window where is your mouse, and wherever you put your mouse, he give you information. You can scroll down and you can see that, for example, this is paragraph, or here, and we can go down. You can see that he give you all info. And for example, you can put like this and check, read it, or for example, if you want this part here, you can simply click on it and he will give you a window. And on this window you have, as you can see, visual, code, HTML, but here you have more position, then you have dimension, and you have rendered font, and which is also important, color palette. We have visual, code, HTML, and you can see here that he give you options. So spacing, display, you can see here, typography, background, border. So for example, you can put 10, and let's go to put solid, and let's change the color in white, and you can see we have here, and you can simply refresh for that. You simply come back and you have position. Here it tell you header, and here what we have, class name. Here we have reset, changes that you can refresh. But here we have another thing which is really good. You can click on it and you can export this to CodePen or save as a file. Okay, then you can copy or close it. On the bottom you can see the window. You can move it if you want to, if you don't want that it stay here. So you can edit, which means you can edit the text or change it. Then you have trash, you have fonts, color palette. If you click on it, you can see the color palette, and you have search, and then you have accessibility. And here you can click and he will show you right away grids. Here you have guidelines and you have CSS box. If you don't want to have this, you can simply turn it off, and when you are done, you can click and it will close. So as you can see, I can simply click here and continue, but I can click to pause and now nothing will happen. I will just have here. Then I can go to the code. Okay. And here we have two buttons, computed styles, and we have source CSS, you can see, and we have HTML, and you have class here. By the way, you can click here and you can add your class, and you can write here if you want more and check how it will look like. So this is the way how Hoverify working. Let's go click to close this, and you can simply continue and inspect every part. Let's go click here. Okay, it is a div, and here he give you class name that you can know what class is and all these informations. So you can inspect every part of your website, which is really great. So let's move further that we can see. We can close this down. Okay, we can go to Hoverify, color, eyedropper. We can click on it and you can see you have really precise that you can choose. For example, we have here a dot, and you can see you can stop it and you can continue, or you can close it down. Assets, let's go to turn it on, and here he will give you all images, videos, SVGs, all what website have. So images, SVGs, videos, PDF, Lotus, favicons, everything what the website have. You can save all, select all. For example, if you are here, you can click and select all. So this is good thing, and you can download image what you want. So here you can see you can copy image URL, or you can simply save it to the library. Let's go to another. So we have responsive. Let's go click on it, and you can see he gave me iPhone 6 Plus. Let's go to check here, and you can see how this look like on the iPhone. Okay, so what you can do, you can zoom. Here you have capture, change the style, or you can simply close it. Here you can add device. You can click on it. You can search if you want, or you can choose or create device. For example, if there is no new device here, what you can do, you can check on the internet about the device on what you want to work, and you can simply create your device. It doesn't matter. You can see iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, and you can see how they look, and you can scroll, and you can see that both of them scroll in the same time, and you can check as well as a desktop. So, and here you have width and height. So let's go to see when, for example, he have here navigation. Let's go to check when navigation will become mobile. Okay, let's go. Okay, 991 on 92, as you can see. So this is where he create that he have desktop navigation or mobile navigation, but you can, as you can see, you can make this website however you want to, and you can simply go to and inspect even on of this mobile phone that they are smaller. Okay, let's go back. So we saw responsive, and now we are going to search engine optimization. We will click on it. Okay, and you can see that he start immediately to check the website, and now we have results of the website. You have performance, accessibility, best practices, and search engine optimization. Everything is in green, which means that it's good, but here you have more details, and here you have insight, meta, headers, images, links, and you can even create, but on the bottom you have performance, accessibility, best practice, and he will show you everything. For example, it's all good, he will tell you, but for example, for performance, as you can see, he say that forced reflow, and we can click on it, and he will explain you in short what the problem is. But here you have a link where you can go and read all about it and how you can fix the issue, and for everything you have the same, how to repair, and you can see that they are different. So this is more important for repair. Then we have this as well for repair, total blocking time. Let's go to click on it, and here is explanation. So let's go, and we have mobile as well, and you can see for the mobile, and performance is 81, accessibility and best practices and search engine optimization, he give 100%, accessibility and best practice, so everything is okay. We can go to the meta, and you can see here that when it's green, that means it's okay, but if it's red, this means that you have too much characters and you need to write less. So we can go to C, and you can see that he didn't pass this number of the characters, and this Twitter, he can find it, but I don't know why they put Twitter, because Twitter is gone long time ago, but it's okay. And you can copy meta tags, and you can, for example, save it, inspect it, or show to someone if you need help or something like that. Then we have headers, and here right away you can inspect, for example, if someone created a website and he put 2 or 3 H1, what people do, and they do not understand that this is not good. And down, as you can see, he explained everything. You can click and he will show you. So let's go to the mottos, and he have here empty headers, as you can see. Okay, he empty. So let's go to this one and empty. It show it like empty header H2. Let's go to the images. Here are all the images that you can see. You can check them. You can copy image URL, or you can open image. You have all information about your image, so that you can right away to see if someone create a website and upload, I don't know, 3-4 megabyte image, that you can repair this right away. And you have without alt text, so this is good, and decorative. In total, there is the images that this can help you right away to see if your images are good or not. Then we can go to the links. We will check the status. Okay, we can see that everything is okay. And we have internal, external, and we have one no follow. There is no broken links, which is the most important, that you don't have broken links. Here you can, like everything else, click to scroll into the view, copy link URL, or open the link. And we have a schema. You can see there are 3 of them. Everything is okay, but you can open it and check everything. You can copy all of them, but if you do not have schema, you can simply generate one, and he give you here that you can take what you need and generate it. Here you can export report, you can refresh. For example, if you are working and then you want to check if everything is okay, you simply refresh and check your schema, and here you can close it. For example, you can click here and he will give you and explain to you how you can use it. So I think this is really good. In total, about search engine optimization, it's not some complex tool, but if you want to inspect important things on your website when you create it, I think this is very good for this kind of tool. Okay, let's move further. So we have debug. Let's go click on it, and here you have clear browsing data, which is good. Sometimes when you are working, when you want to clear, it's the same, and then you try again, and with this you simply click and you clear. Here you have for custom code, you simply click on it and you can click new. Then you have for optimize your images if you want, and you have accessibility. We can click on it, and here it is, accessibility, and he give you can take all rules and you can choose here and the best practices. So we have first overview. He said that 45 of 47 check passed, and all 4, if we click on them, and you can check here what it's not good or what it's worth to inspect it and see if this is really a problem or it's something I don't know, I will give you one example on this website. Sometimes when people working, you can see here, they want to create that it's like visual effect or something like this, but this kind of tools, they will register this as something that is not good for the website, because he will tell you that people are not able to read it. So now you can understand that all what you do, you need to inspect and check, not just follow the tool and think, okay, he told me and I need to do it. No, this just show you, and then is the best practice that you inspect and see if this is really a problem or not. Then we can go further. 3 elements are below the required contrast ratio, and you have click here on this. Let's go to click, and what I tell you, you can see here. Now the question is if this is maybe mistake or it's more like visual effect for the website. This is the question for the person who created, but this kind of things always will be, let's say, registered as an error or a mistake or something like that. And then we can go further to see, okay, this is, as you can see, the button here, and let's go to see more, and you can see as well this button here. Structure, okay, let's go to see the structure, and we have here more, H1, but as you can see, we can click on it. He will give us that we see, and probably there is, anyway, he will give you, this is good here, but here there is some issue that need to be repaired, or you need to inspect and see if this is really something what you need repair, or it's just something like false positive or something like that. Let's move further. Landmarks, and you can see here he give you everything. So multiple navigation landmarks, and we can go, I don't know, for example, you can click the banner and you can see he will show you focus that we see. So there is show that we see. This is good thing, because he show to you the focus of your website, how it goes. As you can see, this is good thing to have, because this can help you a lot, that you can understand if you need something repair or make different position for some elements. So we can see everything here. It's really good thing, and people who creating the website and understand this, they will know how this is important. Okay, let's go hide this, and let's go to the forms. There are 2 form control. Let's go to click. First one, the second one, as you can see here. Okay, and then we have links. Okay, let's go to see 52 links and 16 warnings, and here click to scroll into view, and we can see here, you can see the red part here, new tab, open a new tab without warning. Then we can click here that we see this open a new tab without warning is the button. Okay, so it's this one here, as you can see. But this do not mean that this is really something that can be a problem. What you need to do, you need to inspect and see if this is really like this. Okay, and I think this is good as well. So let's go back, and we have capture. I don't think that this is something, it's capture. So let's go to site stack. Let's go click on it, and you can see here that he have hosting, tag, DNS, SSL certificate and WordPress. Of course, I hide this because I don't think that people need it. This is irrelevant, but this part here, you can see everything what is important for hosting tech. As you can see, he give a lots of information, DNS, you have a record, and you can see he give you all informations available, SSL certificate and the WordPress. He will give you a theme, plugins, and you can export this as well. So this is all what Hoverify have. Like we said, for inspector, that you can inspect everything. One thing what we didn't do, let's go to check something, for example this, let's go click on it, and let's go click here, export to CodePen. Okay, as you can see here how it look like on CodePen. Of course, it's not look the same, but here you can play if you want. It's not bad thing. I think it can help in some situations. So this is how Hoverify working. And let's go to Hoverify to see just for the prices that you know. So now when you check the tool, now you understand what you will get if you pay $90. You will pay one time and you will get 3 licenses. If you want to pay every year, you will pay $30 every year. This is not sponsored. This is not advertising. I don't have anything with these tools. I just want to show you what these tools offer. Of course, we can go deeper. I just want to show you that you can see what this tool is able to do. Okay, and then we can go to another tool. It's CSS Scan. Let's go on the website and I will just refresh it. And here we have icon CSS Scan. Let's go to click on the icon, and you can see that it's different than Hoverify. So you can pause, move. You can see here what is new. You have options that you can put everything how you want or your needs. And you have here for close it, or you can simply push escape and it will close. But it works like Hoverify inspector. So you are able, for example, click here and you have a window, and you will not get so many informations like Hoverify, but you have here source as well. And here you can export to CodePen, or you can copy the code, but he give you informations that they are important, and he give you here. It's not much, but I can say that you don't need to maybe click right, inspect. You can get some informations. For example, let's go close this window. You can simply put here and I can see right away it's H1. You can see all these things from colors and everything. You don't need to open and searching where is what. He will simply show you and you can inspect all. But as you can see, it's not something. Let's go click here. Okay. And I will click here, and what I will do, I will push, and you can see I can move with my arrows. Okay, to make this shorter, as you can see, CSS Scan will give you less information. Let's go to the website, and you can see here that it's not complex like Hoverify, but it can give you information right away that you don't need to open, inspect and try to find where is what, and you can see right away. Let's go just to see the price. Get it now. Let's go to see how much it costs. So one license is $50, just to see lifetime deal. So it means one license is $50 per life. Okay, that is all about CSS Scan. And one more tool I will show. It's Polypane, and Polypane I will start in the second video. Why? Because Polypane, it's much more complex. It gives you much more informations. You can inspect. It's good for check responsiveness of your website, but it gives you all information from your website that they are really good. As you can see here, for example, responsive, emulate, everything, accessibility, you can see that. But I need to say that this here, it's much better, more informations, and it's easier to understand how you can create this better, and huge amount of information. So I think I will need much more time for explain, but it's not only about Polypane. They have Polypane portal. Let's go click on it, and as you can see, share your local development environment anywhere, on any browser, on any device, test and inspect directly from Polypane. Okay, let's go back to Polypane. I just want to go to the pricing, and let's go to check the pricing. You have yearly and monthly. If you pay yearly, it's $108. It's for one person, personal and commercial use. You can use it on 3 personal devices, human email support, but they have even more and more expensive. But what is most important, they give you start free trial, so you can try this tool. Okay, you don't need a credit card, which I like. I hate when they give you, okay, I will give you to try it, but give me your credit card. This is not what I like, but they give you, you don't need a credit card, and you can simply try it, and you will see if this tool is good for you or not. So see you in the next video, and we will speak about Polypane, and then we will continue with other tools for inspection, websites, and all what websites need to be inspected, because you can't simply create the website and give it to the customer that you didn't inspect it. So this is not possible. You really need to inspect all that you have created, especially today when we use artificial intelligence to help us in some things. I don't say that you creating all the website with AI is some crappy website, but AI can help. So human or AI can make mistakes, and this tool simply helping you that you can inspect and repair everything what it's not good. Okay, see you in another video, and we will start with Polypane. Cheers!